You might not have a communication problem in your relationship, but a listening problem. During most couples' conversations, both partners are trying to be heard, which means that neither is really listening, leaving both partners feeling unheard. When you don't feel heard, you naturally try harder to explain yourself, but your partner is doing the same. Before long, you're both talking more but connecting less. You're both trying harder to make a point but feeling heard less. Next time, try a different approach. When your partner tells you something, do 4 things. Number 1, pause the need to respond. Number 2, ask a thoughtful listen question, something like, what is it that you would like me to hear? Number 3, give your partner enough time to answer. And number 4, just listen. 4 things to help your partner feel heard. More about listen conversations and listen questions on our website.